Hey, Ted.
Hey there.
Hey, this is the Xinli.
It looks a little bright behind me.
Looks good.
Get rid of some sky.
Where are you located?
Normally in the Bay Area, but we wound up staying in San Diego a little longer than planned.
Oh, nice. Nice sunshine, San Diego.
Not today. Not this week. Not last week.
Well, generally, it's better than Seattle.
Yes, although Seattle in the summer can be pretty fabulous.
Yeah. I think summer it comes to Seattle and then winter go to San Diego.
Good idea.
Yeah. Which company you work?
I work for HPE.
Oh, HP. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a health related.
No, Hewlett Packard Enterprise.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Servers and such.
Okay.
What about you?
Oh, I'm in Uber, Seattle.
Okay.
Yeah, I did join this meeting quite often. This is my first time. Just try to learn from you guys.
Well, some of the meetings have been very, very interesting.
Yeah.
I would expect the attendance for this meeting to be much smaller because of the date.
Yeah. I think a lot of folks still on vacation.
Smart people.
Yeah. Do you have an agenda today?
Do I have what?
I mean the meeting agenda? No.
I don't. I don't drive the meetings. I follow.
Okay. How do you use Presto?
We have a product that's based on Presto.
Okay. So you use it for just like read
Yes.
the data. Okay.
Analytical queries and the queries typically, or the data usually comes in through a complex pipeline.
Okay. So any table format you guys use like Iceberg, Delta Lake, etc.
Yeah, our customers use a variety of things like that. Iceberg, Delta Lake are, I think, the most common, but I've seen some recent requirements for Hoodie.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. We use Hoodie. Hoodie is from us.
I know.
Yeah. I'm mainly on the Parquet side.
Yeah, a lot of people use Parquet, especially at very large data volumes. It's common for a custom designed Parquet ingest to happen.
Yeah. Any issues, any requirement on the Parquet side?
Well, things are moving pretty quickly in terms of the sophistication of the query engines.
Okay.
And so I don't think I could make informed comments. And by the way, if anybody shows up who's going to drive the meeting,
Yeah.
we're just hanging out here and talking. So, and also if anybody wants to hang out and talk, please talk.
Hi.
Hey,
Hey, folks.
Hey, nice to meet you. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I am Aditi, and I'm a principal engineer at Ahana, and I've kind of been involved with Velox and Prestismo for like about 1.5 years now. So I'm mostly familiar with that side, and I'm trying to get like more up to speed on Presto TSC. So this is actually my first meeting that I'm attending in person. So I too am waiting for someone to kind of join and facilitate this meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if general team are driving the meeting. I don't know if he's joining. We have another folks in.
Hey. Yes. Hi. This is Xin from Hana. Yeah. So I've been working on the Parquet Reader in Velox this years, and I heard you guys were talking about it
Oh, by the way, it's first time meeting you. Nice to meet you guys. Are you from Meta or?
Yeah,
Shai's from Uber. I'm from
Oh, hi.
I didn't catch Shinli. Where are you from?
I'm from Uber.
Okay, both of you are from Uber.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm in Seattle.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you're in Seattle. I'm based in Seattle as well.
Oh, okay. How nice Seattle office?
We have a small collaboration office.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mhm.
Do you know Vivek? Vivek also worked there.
Yeah, Vivek works with us.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. Rohin. I used to work with Rohin for it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, PD. He drive the Presto Con. She left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you guys. I don't know anybody still joining, driving the meeting.
Well, I think that this question you asked about where is how is Parquet doing is a pretty good one. I can tell you from my side that recently my use of Parquet for an open source project has exceeded my expectations. The Z standard compressor, in fact,
Yeah.
combined with good sorting has
Yeah.
been extremely effective.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the other thing that I've seen using not Presto but Duck, that the ability to not read portions of Parquet files is better than I remembered with other query engines.
Okay.
You sorry, are you talking about the Presto Java implementation or the new native?
To move on to the newer query engines, I think that the potential there is very exciting.
Yeah.
But I couldn't comment intelligently about where that stands. Sue, Aditi, could you guys say more?
Sure. Yeah. So I've been working on the Parquet reader in Velox. I'm not sure if you're talking about the existing Presto implementation.
Yeah, Velox is very exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, so you were talking about the Velox Parquet reader, or
With no knowledge at all, yes.
or are you guys developing your own Parquet reader? Oh, okay. All right. So I can introduce. So Presto Parquet reader actually is quite well implemented as well, but it doesn't support filter pushdown. The Velox native Parquet reader does support it. So currently, I think the map one is under review. So, but other than that, most data types are supported right now. Supports full filter pushdown. So in the next year, I'm going to working on additional performance improvements, including custom decompression.
So you can use C++ version Parquet reader.
I'm sorry?
So for the Vlogs, you guys use C++ version or
Yes,
Java version?
yes. C++ version.
Okay.
Yeah, Ying.
Yeah.
So
So
Ying
the
did a new.
performance was better than the Java, and also the Aditi. Are you trying to say something?
No, I was just saying that Ying. I was just trying to clarify that Ying actually did a new Parquet reader.
Hello.
Nice.
In C++. So for the rest of C++, right, we have a lot of SQL coverage right now in Velox for doing like Presto like queries. what most of us are involved in is actually getting operational experience and actually running Prestismo queries on our clusters with S3 and Parquet, because like Ahana is focused on S3 and Parquet, whereas Facebook has been running stuff internally with just their own formats with Dwarf and other stuff. So yeah, right now we're in this process of actually running a whole lot of query workloads.
Last time, I think when Deepak have a demo on the Velox Presto, it looks like
Yeah.
we have like 2 times, I forget, like 2 times faster or something. Is there any further improvement so far?
I believe Deepak had done, those were with TPCH, right? So post Ying's work on the Parquet reader, like we saw even further improvements. Ying, do you remember like what was the best thing we saw? Let me.
The best thing hasn't happened yet. There are a bunch of new things I'd like to try. So this year, after the V2 decoders, I'm going to try this in a new branch.
And we should mention that a lot of new people have shown up in the meeting. We're doing a kind of extemporaneous discussion here. Paul, Rebecca, Vivek, Milland, anybody who wants to introduce themselves, especially Milland, I think, because I think Milland will be replacing me on this technical call over time.
Thanks, Ted. Hey, thanks, Ted. Hi, everybody. Milind Bhandarkar, leading the Esmeralda architecture team at HPE, where one of our products basically has Presto DB as a core component. And I've been working on Presto DB since almost 4-5 years right now. My startup called Ampool was acquired by HPE, which was mainly focused on Presto DB. So glad to be part of the TSC representing HPE and looking forward to collaborating.
Excellent.
Nice.
Hey
Paul?
folks, Vivek here from Ahana. I work with Aditi and Ying and formerly with Jinli at Uber. Hey folks.
Hi everybody, I'm Paul. I'm at Meta, so in the Presto team, it's the same team as Rebecca. Yeah, I'm quite new to Presto, so I'm just like joining and learning.
I'm Rebecca. I am also a Meta and working on Presto for a while, and I'm on the TSC.
Yeah, we don't have anybody driving the meeting. Anybody have, want to drive it or have any agenda to discuss?
Yeah, so far the topic has been some exciting new stuff that's coming in the Parquet reader, especially in Velox in C++, where lots of vectorization can take place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is the reliability of the Velox? My understanding is you guys create a new process and then Presto just, rely on the Velox to do a lot of, data handling, a lot of like processing, kind of like disable a lot of stuff in Presto and rely on the Velox. How is the reliability of this?
So so maybe Rebecca can share some insights here, but I heard it's been quite stable within Meta in the shadow clusters, but we do have lots of problems running it on open cloud.
Nice.
Yeah.
Any like company already try on the production? Any examples?
Oh yeah. ByteDance has already been using
Yeah.
Velox in productions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but they were doing it in a different way. So they were calling through the GNI this from yeah.
GNI meaning the don't call it through RPC call, just through a library.
Oh well, Velox is a library.
Okay.
So the way it works with Presto is that Presto has a thin wrapper, or what do we call that? The C++ worker that's calling into the Velox library. So a cluster can consist of both Java workers and the C++ workers, and we call them tasks, right? So these tasks talk through, we call them exchange boundaries. So you can imagine that there is a task that's completely in the native code, and the repartitioning, it's sending data to the other task, which could be a Java or a C++.
Nice.
Yeah, and so Velox in the library, it re-implements all the operators. So pretty much we take what is the fragment plan that Presto generates and convert it into a Velox plan, which comprises of the Velox plan nodes equivalent, and then you hand it over to something called a Velox driver, which is also like your Presto driver, and it kind of the Prestismo gives it the like CPU executor, and Velox handles the rest. Yeah, there's been a lot of focus on query correctness. A lot of the queries work correctly. Yeah, we are at Ahana, we are kind of operationalizing this on like Open Cloud. So that's, yeah, there's some things we have to work out there still.
Nice.
I mean, we are able to run a whole lot of queries, but we are seeing some random failures, which we're trying to like figure out what it is about. But
That is expected because the early product.
yeah.
Yeah, but you guys
Yeah,
did a lot of contribution.
Yeah, because Velox is relying heavily on stuff like mmap and all, and we, at least like for like the async data cache and stuff. So like we have to turn on and turn off things and see what exactly is causing these issues.
Yeah, anybody still want, any further topics, discussions? We're just chatting.
Just want to say one thing that I noticed is that the official agenda for the meeting says January 10th, even though the meeting is scheduled for today. So I wonder if maybe some people thought it was next week and some people thought it was this week.
Yeah, no wonder. I see.
Yeah, it showed up in my calendar, so I just.
Yeah, that's why I came off. It's like, oh, okay.
That could explain why nobody has a formal agenda here.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So I guess we reconvene next week then.
I don't really know what the plan is, but just wanted to make sure that I wasn't the only one who knew this, who saw this. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Rebecca.
Yeah, thanks. So folks, see you next week then. It's
Yes.
really nice to know you folks.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for a very interesting conversation.
Sure. Thanks. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.